Erokamano kuketo Ramogi TV. Komishona mar gwenge mag Nyanza Flora oyango ni nyaka sani achije 49 osemaki e gwenge ma Makalda mani Nyatike Migori kaluwore kod tulo mane omuoch giko juma mokalo seche mane jopiny ng'anyo ka pingo rochruok mar arita kwe. Moroa wacho ni apedha mar arita kwe pod oridore e gwengego nyaka maki achije duto manyocha omonjo stesend obila ma Nyatike.
We have arrested some of the inciters, and we are still looking for more who we have information were the ones who had organized these demonstrations. The use of violence is not the best way to sort out any grievances that members of the public could be having. Because what I was able to gather after visiting that place did not warrant the kind of destruction, burning of a police vehicle. In fact, currently we do not have enough police vehicles. So when members of the public burn even the few that we have, it is really very sad. So I want to call upon the members of the public and even our leaders, because some of them were involved in incitement. I want to call upon them to talk to the people so that we can have dialogue whenever there are issues that need to be rectified. That is the best way to do things. During that day and even earlier on, we have noted that there are members of the public and some leaders who have illegal firearms.